right in this segment, we're going to talk about the sauce and how to put it on the pizza. We've already put flour down on our pizza peel, and we're going to just rub that into the grain. Then we're going to take our pizza we've already formed, just lay it down right like that. We're going to give our Alfredo a stir here. And what we've done with the chicken is we've just cut it into slices and put it back in the pan so it can absorb some of those juices. Start with one little ladle there and just work it out. You have to add another one. You want to go fairly close to the edge, but not all the way up, otherwise the crust won't form. Just one more. Right there. You want a decent amount of sauce to be on there. Probably about 8 ounces. Maybe a little more, because it's very, very thick, heavy sauce. You want it to cover nicely. Just like that. Then what you're going to do, as I said in the last segment when we were making the Alfredo, is we're not going to add the cheese to the sauce, because we're adding it right on top to the pizza. We're going to go pretty heavy on that. I would say 2 pretty decent handfuls sprinkled over there. And that is how to put the sauce on the pizza. In the next segment, we'll talk about the cheese.